Good day to you. And I'm sporting this little rascal again, this flathead Nicaraguan Maduro rapper, 554. This little sucker has put me in some kind of way that I really kind of feel like I should have held on to it a little bit longer before I stopped enjoying it. I want to talk a little bit today about gurus, teachers, ministers, sages, and the people that speak to us in an attempt to guide us into enlightenment. I believe that everyone is relevant. I believe that everyone is necessary because as we refer to this life as a journey, where you are is not where you're going. It's where you are to get to where you're going. So there may be a necessary, or they may be a necessary step into your greatness. But there's a lot of information that goes out, and sometimes we get caught up on the word misinformation. The thing about information is that sometimes information is right on time. Sometimes information is too soon. And sometimes information is not digestible. I mean, you're asking somebody to do something that is beyond something that they believe. And there are many people that sit in these groupings of the various titles that I listed blindly because they're trying to capture that time before this time when they came to believe in this person. And that's a struggle because that's time. And we can't waste time. Bruce Lee had a famous quote: if you love life, don't waste time, for time is what life is made of. And we waste entirely too much time in social media. We watch entirely too much television. We listen to radio, and a lot of the songs are creating these robotic, romantic, musical, rhythmic mantras, casting spells on our lives. We are saying things that we don't believe, all because it is part it is part of the lyrics. And we're speaking things over our lives repetitively, repetitively. And repetition is what produces it. Those things get inside our mind, and it takes control of the person that we are. So when we adhere, listen to, partake, or sit under the leadership or guidance of a seer, a teacher, a minister, a guru, a master. I don't even know if I got over the phrase master. A sensei. We have to be careful of the information that we take, and when the shift takes place, that we don't remain in that situation too long and therefore forfeit where it is that we need to be. And I encourage you to read more books. Get yourself a journal and write down your experiences and the things that you're doing in your life. You'll be surprised how far you've come. You'll be surprised how much you know. And you will further be surprised how much good you will do by these writings for you and for those that may one day get to read it. I also encourage you to continue to believe in yourself. Continue to have confidence in the possibility and continue to be great. This is Arnold Tate, Mr. Dad Tate, in my car with my cigar. I want you to like this video, share this video, and you know what? Why don't you comment right there and let me know what you think. Like and share. Thank you.